Hi, my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my master bathroom under the sink closet makeover, you can say, or the organization. So this is most of the time it looks like this. Even it's not that much stuff and it's actually pretty good size closet, but sometimes I broom it under the carpet and I will do it later. But today is the day, so I'm doing this, and most of the stuff I'm using in this video I bought from the Dollarama for organization, like this the dryer holder. I really like it because it's hang over the door, and this is the expired item. Oh my god, 2014 it was expired, and so I'm throwing so many things, looking for the expired things. And this is the Poldy wax warmer machine I just ordered for the hot wax. I think I really like this machine because I do rarely face wax, but when I did, I think it's really good, the bead wax. And I love this method smell. You can use any one which you want to use. So I use this grapefruit one. So spray this, just give a little scrub. So I'm using this this is actually a floor mop, but I'm using here because this is some pretty stubborn stains here. So after this, it smells really nice, actually really fresh. So this is the basket I bought from the Real Canadian Superstore when it was on I think sale or clearance. I think it was originally $22, but I think I bought just for really nice price of $5. Then these towels, if you watch my channel, I love off-season shopping. So these towels are also after the summer off, and I got these bath sheets actually from the Real Canadian Superstore, because this is in Canada, this is the most I think store I went. So then I use these jars from the Home Sense, and these bushes. I love lavender, so I need some kind of flower in my washroom. So this I match with my hand soap, which is lavender. And I got this tray and this stuff for the Listerine. The cups, 150. I really like this pea bagon spray, just 150. Otherwise it's, I think on the Home Sense it's like $5-6. So if you like a little spray in your toilet area, this is a good one. And this acrylic tray was $3.50, I think, each tray. Really nice. I'm really with the results. See, I use this card. It's great. It's also from Real Canadian Superstore. So I also bought from the Home off season. So I just a quick video with you guys. If you like this video, please give me thumbs ups. I do the most of the time DIYs, so I rearrange it. I don't spend that much money, as you can see, not the fancy one, the Lock Night, the Pinterest one, but it's really worth it, because when it's organized, see, then I start organizing my drawers. So this is 3 drawers, and I use most of the item from the Dollarama. And you can do the same thing. If you like the video, please share it, like it, and what you like in this video and what you want to see for more organization video, I'm definitely gonna do it for you. And these things I organize in my drawer, like these Q-tips. It's all extra item, like this wok machine. So honestly, I'm really happy with the end result. So I'm gonna see you in my next video, so keep watching. And I do most of the time the DIYs. I love to do the DIY, but home organization, decorating style, what you can decorate, which is trendy, what you can use in your home. I live in Calgary, so keep watching.